So for tonight, I'm going to create a new folder. So I will explain loop today. I will discuss why we need loop. So today we want to look at loop. Loop is used to repeat something. So why is it saying that? Loop is used to repeat something, to do something over and over again. And we have different types of loop. Right. We're going to look at while loop. While loop. The way it works is that you write while. Let's open our PHP tag. Then you put a condition here. You put some condition here. Then you do something. So remember, I said the essence of a loop is to do something over and over again. So while, if this condition is met, it will do whatever is there. When it is done, it will come back here again and check this condition. If the condition is met, it will do whatever is there. When it's done, it will come back again and check the condition. If it's met again, it will do it. It will keep doing that as long as this condition is met. Let's look at an example. So if I run this code, what do you think I'll see? Is that?
No, it should not echo.
Good. Is it not?
It not echo because 6 is not less than 4.
Exactly. Thank you. So because 6, yeah, this condition is not true. So because this condition is false, it will not do anything inside this place. It will not. But if it were to be true, so this is what it's going to do. Why is 2? Is 2 less than 4? Yes. It will enter this place and run the codes. Yeah. It will echo hello. When it is done, it will come back again and check the condition. Is var less than 4? Is 2 less than 4? Yes. It will enter this place again and run the codes here. When it is done, it will check the condition again. Is 2 less than 4? Yes. It will keep giving you hello, 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 hello. Any questions so far? Okay, let's run it on the browser. Sorry, I can't hear you well. It's broken.
No, I get it.
Okay, thank you.
Get it.
Alright, thank you. That's why I keep saying hello, 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 hello on the screen. Let's stop this. We'll come back to this and make some adjustments. So this needs to end at a point. We can't keep saying hello. We can say that $var plus equals to $var plus 1. So var is 2. Is 2 less than 4? Yes. it will enter this place. It will echo hello. $var equals to $var plus 1. That is $var equals to 2 plus 1. That means $var becomes 3. That is variable var becomes 3. When it is done, it will come back here and check this condition. Is 3 less than 4? Yes. It's going to run the codes here. It will echo hello. Variable var equals to variable var plus 1. That is 3 plus 1. Var becomes 4. When it's done, it come back again and check this condition. Is 4 less than 4? No. Then it will stop the loop. Any question?
No, I get it.
Okay. So that's why we only have hello twice. You can also choose to display the variable itself. So this is going to give you 2 and 3. Oh, sorry, var 2 and 3. 2, 3. Now I can easily use this to display 1 to 10. So this is going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Now I have a question. I want it to display 10 to 1 instead of 1 to 10. I want to display 10 to 1. What am I going to do?
It will be var minus.
Var minus 1. You mean if I run this, it's going to give... Okay. You mean if I run this, it's going to give me 10 to 1?
No. var minus 1.
So I don't know. Sorry, what did you say?
Var minus 1.
Yes, I've
It
written
will
it.
be the sign.
Sorry, let me refresh. I think the network is not clear. I don't know if it's from my hand or camera. So, what did you say?
I said maybe the sign should change.
Okay.
That would be okay. Change now.
To change to...
Greater than.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
One greater than. No, this one will not display anything.
Yeah.
1 is less than 11. It will not display anything.
Exactly.
And it is still less than. That place is less than.
Okay.
Less than or equals to. No. It is less than. Okay, it will not display anything. Minus 1 greater than. Then am I correct?
Okay, let's run this and see the results first. Then we explain what is wrong.
Okay.
Now, see what I have on the screen. Anyway, let's explain why we have that. Var is 1. Is 1 less than 11? Yes. It will echo 1.
Yes.
Var equals to var minus 1. Var becomes 0. So is 0 less than 11? Yes, it will echo 0. Var equals to var minus 1. Var becomes minus 1. When it's done, is minus 1 less than 11? Yes, it will echo var, which is minus 1. So var equals to var minus 1, var becomes minus 2. So you keep saying minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. So it keeps going like that.
plus. Let's do plus.
Okay.
Let's do plus.
We have our 1 to 10. We want it to be 10 to 1.
Okay.
Okay, let's look at it together.
10 to 1.
Yes, 10 to 1.
Ah,
You know, we want it to start from 10. So you can say, let's value 10. Oh,
okay.
so let's value 10. Right. Let's stay with this a bit. Before we go to this while loop, look at it like this. var is 10. You want it to echo var, which is 10. Echo var. After echoing var, you want it to remove 1 from var, so that var becomes 9. That means $var equals to $var minus 1. So with this now, var becomes 9. After var becomes 9, echo var again. So it's going to echo 9. When it's done, you want to remove 1 from var, so that var becomes 8. So the var is now 8. You want to echo var. So this is going to echo 8. When it's done, you want to remove 1 again from var. Var becomes 7. Then you want to echo var. So if you observe, you keep repeating this part. var equals to var minus 1, echo var. Var equals to var minus 1, echo var. So this part that you are repeating, this repetitive part, you can put that in a loop.
Okay. That's why
Yeah.
it's important.
So yeah, that's why it's important. So, you know, you want, okay, let's proceed. If you have something like this, it must end at a point. And the point is that
Yes.
you want it to keep subtracting 1 from var as long as it has not gotten to 0. Do you get it? Or when it gets to 0, no, when it gets to 0, stop subtracting 1 from var. So with that, we can have this. As long as var is greater or equal to 0. So as long as it is greater than or equal to 0, then keep doing all of this. Echo var, var equals to var minus 1. Then echo var, var equals to var minus 1, echo var, var equals to var minus 1. So it's going to keep doing that. Do you get it?
Yes.
So now we can remove this part. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Any question?
I get
Okay. So this is how you can make use of a loop in PHP. Let's proceed. We have an array. Let's talk about array. You know, we've talked about associative array. Associative arrays, they are,
Yes. Okay.
they are like JavaScript objects. PHP has its own objects. We've not gotten there. We're going to get there later. But I love the way you said object. They are similar to JavaScript objects. That they have key value pair, but we also have normal array, that is those arrays that are not associative arrays. You can have a list of names, let's say names, and I have Sharifat. Everything here. So I have this list of names. In this list of names, I may want to loop to it. That is, loop is to repeat something. I may want to repeat each of the name inside this place. Okay, so you want to repeat something. If you want to do something over and over again, let's say I want to say hello Sharifat, hello Abidemi, hello Mansurat. So a loop allows us to easily have access to each of the item in this list, or in this array. So I can say dollar can call it anything. Oftentimes we use I, but it's not a must to call it I. So A equals to 0. Now, before we go into this, I think it would be better we talk about indexes of arrays. If I say names index 0, that means give me the first item in names. That's going to give me Sherifat. If I say index 1, give me the second item in names. That's going to give me Abidemi. If I say index 2, give me the third item in names. That's going to give us Monserrat. So index means position, but arrays at 0 index. That means it starts its own positioning from 0. So Sherifat is at index 0, Abidemi is at index 1, Monserrat is at index 2. Any question on that? Okay. So we can then see wow. Let's start with this for now. For a start, let's start with this. We have this array of names. $A is 0. Is 0 less than 3? So this give me dollar names, that is variable names, index 0. Do you get it? Though that means this is going to echo Sherifat. When it is done, it will come back again to this place. Is 0 less than 3? It will do this again. It's going to say names index 0. It's going to echo Sherifat again. When it is done, it will come back again. Is 0 less than 3 yet? It will echo Sherifat. So we keep saying Sherifat. But I don't want that to happen. So I can say, so $A is 0. Is 0 less than 3? Yes. It's going to say names index 0. That is Sherifat. A equals to A plus 1. A becomes 1. Is 1 less than 3? Yes. It will echo names index 1, which is Abidemi, since A is 1. Then A equals to A plus 1. A becomes 2. Is 2 less than 3? Yes. It's going to echo $names index 2, which is Monserrat. A equals to A plus 1. A becomes 3. A becomes 3. Sorry, I'm coming. Let's go again. A is 0. Is 0 less than 3? Yes. It's going to echo names index 0, since A is 0. A equals to A plus 1. A becomes 1. Is 1 less than 3? Yes. It's going to echo names index 1. Since A is 1, that's going to echo Abidemi. A equals to A plus 1. A becomes 2. Is 2 less than 3? Yes. It's going to echo A index 2, which is Monserrat. A equals to A plus 1. A becomes 3. Is 3 less than 3? No. Then it will stop. Do you understand this? Please, do you get this? Hello?
Hello? Yes, I got it.
Alright. So that's how we have this. Right. Let's move on. I can then say that instead of echoing just the names, I can say echo hello Sherifat, hello Abidemi, hello Monserrat. So we can concatenate hello to each of the name. So I can say so we are concatenating these names to it. So you're going to have hello hello Sherifat, hello Abidemi, hello Monserrat. You can also, let's make it go to the next line. You can just echo the BR tag. The BR tag will break it to the next line.
Okay.
So we have this result. Any questions so far?
Can we use template and neutral for in PHP?
No.
In PHP.
No. Template is for Java, the JavaScript syntax.
JavaScript.
Yeah.
Okay. You Because I know that the way we used to write hello, we used to put the variable name inside template. That's why I'm asking.
Okay.
Alright. Only concatenation here.
Yes, only concatenation. Concatenation. Okay. So we have this result. We have this result. So you can use a while loop to achieve this. It's going to keep. But the problem is this. If I have more names here, let's say I have Kafayat. Let's say I have Peter. Let's say I have Ajayi. Like this here. If I run this code, it's going to stop at Monserrat. Why?
Because 4 is not less than 3.
Good.
And
Thank you.
3 is less than 3.
Good. Thank you. So if I want it to stop at Ajayi, this needs to be 6. So that it can stop at Ajayi. So that means that if this array increases, you need to increase this value. So, but you need to write your way in such a way that it will be dynamic. It can adjust to such changes. Because oftentimes, arrays like this, they are not constants. They are things that change frequently. That is, more values are being added or removed from the array. So in that case, what you do is that there's something in PHP called count. It counts the number of items in an array. If I say count names, let's play this. This plays the number of items in names. That's why we have 6. Yeah. If there are 3 items, this is going to be 3. So instead of saying 6, you can say count names. So that even if this array changes tomorrow to be 3, count names is now 3. And if it increases to be 6, count names is 6. Do you get it?
Yes, yes. Put that count name inside the variable.
Yeah, we can. We can say variable names length. So you can say names length. Still have the same result. Any question? Okay. So you've seen using this for while loop, using while loop. We also have for loop. Let's look at for loop together. Sorry, before we leave this part, let's say we have an array that contains associative array within it. Oops. Name school Lautech. Name Kenny school UI. Name Ido school. OAU. Now, count names in this case will be 3 because there are 3 items in this place. Do you get it?
Yes.
Alright. Now, if you have that, you want to have access to each item in it. We need to make some little adjustments here. I want to say hello Taye, hello Kenny, hello Ido. I will comment out this part for now. If you say names index A, like this, You know, A is 0 initially, right?
Yeah.
So if you say names index A, that's name index 0. What is names index 0?
Index 0.
It's breaking.
Um,
I can't tell you. I don't know, it's breaking.
0.
Uh-huh.
And I said first associative array.
Good. This first associative array is the index 0.
Yes.
This is index 1. This is index 2. This is index 2. So, that means that if I want to display target, I will say names index 0, then I can target name. Do you get it?
Yes.
So this is going to give us target. Then A equals to A plus 1, A becomes 1. Is 1 less than 3? Yes. Names index 1, name.
Yes.
This is going to give me Kenny. Then A equals to A plus 1, A becomes 2. Is 2 less than 3? Yes. Names index 2, pick up the name, which is it. A equals to A plus 1, A becomes 3. Is 3 less than 3? No. It will terminate the loop. Any question? Do you get it?
No question, I get it. Yes.
So let's echo this. So that's how we have this. Let's go to for loop now. We can also use for loop. We have while loop, we have for loop, we have do while loop. We can also use for each, but we just look at for loop and while loop. For loop and while loop. So in the next class, we're going to use them.
For loop and while loop is okay.
We just look at for loop and while loop.
Okay.
So for what's a variable here? For loop, the first thing you put here is initialization. You initialize a variable. Then you put some conditions here. Now, for now, we just do it like this. I say echo hello world. Remember, the purpose of loop is to repeat things.
Yes.
So the way it's going to work is I'm going to say I is 0. Is 0 less than 5?
Yes.
So this is a
0
condition.
is less than 5.
If this condition is true, then it's going to run the codes. Yeah, do you get it? Hello world.
Okay, yes.
When it is done, if you come back again and check this condition, is 0 less than 5? Yes, it's going to run this code again. When it's done, it come back again and check this condition. 0 less than 5? Yes, it will do this again. Any questions so far?
No question.
So I want it to stop.
But if you want it to stop, okay.
So $high is available. High is 0. Is 0 less than 5?
Yes. 0 is less than 5.
It's going to run this code. It will echo hello world.
Okay. Hello world.
So I becomes 1. Is 1 less than 5?
Yes.
It will run this code again.
1 is less than 5.
It will run this code again. It will echo hello world.
Hello world.
I becomes 1 plus I becomes 2.
Sure.
If you come back and check this condition again, it's 2 less than 5.
Yes.
It's going to run this code again to echo hello world.
Hello world.
I equals to I plus 1, I becomes 3.
3.
When it's done, it's 3 less than 5.
Yes.
It's going to run this code again to echo hello world.
Hello
I
world.
equals to I plus 1, I becomes 4.
4.
When it's done, it's 4 less than 5.
Yes.
It's going to run this code again, it will echo hello world. I equals to I plus 1, I becomes 5. Is 5 less than 5?
Yes. No. 0.
So, is 5 less than 5? No, then it will stop. Do you get it?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. But excuse me, can we use I plus plus in front after that I less than 5?
Okay, at this point, yeah, we are coming there. Yes, you are correct. You can also put it here.
Okay, 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 okay,
You can put it here too. You can put it like this. It also work fine.
okay.
So, I is 0 less than 5. Yes. If this condition is true, it will first do this. It is when it's done that it will come here.
Okay.
So meaning that this I plus, although it is up here, is working as though it is the last thing in this loop.
Nope.
Do you get it? It's working as though it is
Yes.
here, even though it
The
is
last.
up here. Yeah. So the way it works is that I is 0 less than 5. Yes. If this condition is true, it will first do everything here. When it is done, then that's when it comes here to do I plus plus. I becomes 1. Is 1 less than 5? Yes. It will run all of these codes again. When it is done, it will do I plus plus. I becomes 2. Is 2 less than 5? Yes. It's going to run all of the codes. Yeah. On and on like that. Any questions?
I get it. In fact, you really tried.
Thank you.
I get it.
Thank you. So if I want to access these items also, we can use the same approach we used there. So this is going to give us sorry, how is this saying that? Okay. It's expecting us to add the key.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
School, let's use school.
Okay, let's just take the screen now. So this is going to echo LoudTech UI and OAU. Oh, but it's going to be more than the number of items in this array because this is 5, right?
5.
So that's why you have these errors. Yeah. So instead of this, you can say count dollar names. So we have LoudTech UI or AU.
Okay.
Any question?
I get it.
Okay. So this is how an array works. You can read on for each. You can read on the do while loop. Do while loop. So in our next class, we will integrate this into the task that we're doing. We were able to submit to database. I think we stopped at login. We did login successful. So next is we're going to be fetching all our users, and maybe we display it in maybe a table or in a list. So, and because we are fetching a lot of information, and we need to display all of them. So that's why we're going to make use of loop. So in the next class, we see how this loop can be used in our application, the application that we're building then, to fetch the users and display them in a maybe table or list or whichever approach you want to, or maybe a select tag, whichever medium you want to use to display them. We see how we can do that. Question? Do you get it?
Okay, the question I was asking is,
Okay.
is mostly used. So you mentioned do while
Yes.
for each.
Yes. Hello? I can't hear you again. Hello?
Which of the loop, which of them is mostly used in PHP, or all of them? The 4 you mentioned.
Okay, we mainly use the for loop, while loop, both of them. That's why I only looked at the 2. The for each,
Okay.
whatever you use for each for, you can make use of either while loop or for loop to do the same.
Or for loop. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Then do while loop. The difference between
I
do,
should read.
you can just sit on
Okay,
them.
do while.
The difference between do while loop and the while loop is that Let me just mention it briefly. You know, for while loop, you say while, then you put a condition. If that condition is met, it's going to do that, right? But for the
Yes.
do while loop, it will first do that before checking the condition. Do you get it?
Okay.
It will first do it before checking the condition, meaning that at least it's going to do it once.
Once. Okay.
But for the while loop, if the condition is not met, it may not do it at all.
At all.
So that's the difference. That's the difference. Any other question? Hello? Okay. So what did you say?
No, I said no question. That's the question I wanted to ask.
Alright, okay.
Papa.
Alright, okay. So we stop here today. We'll continue next week. Thanks for coming. Good night to you.
All right.
Have a
Thank
lovely
you
night.
so much.
Yeah, thank you.